Hi everybody, thanks for checking in on the channel today. This is another episode on the Ducati HYPERMOTARD restoration project. What I'm going to do is show you quicker on the bike now, the condition it's in, and what we're going to hopefully get done today is get it going, get the engine running and let it take over a little bit. Now I did actually start this the other week briefly and the oil filter was leaking, so I've ordered a new oil filter for it and put the oil filter on so we can get it running quite a bit and see actually how the engine sounds. So here we go, quick ship around the bike, so you can have a quick look at it. So there's a HYPERMOTARD, it's a Ducati, it's a 2008 model 1100S. It's got the O-rings on. I've took the covers off the belts here, as you can see, to check that the belts weren't snapped. I took the spark plugs out, clean spark plugs, put them back in again, put some oil down the bore first before I did that, and I turned the engine over, and it did actually turn over. Even though it's got a battery on, I put a booster pack on it. I'll show you a quick over on the bike. You can see the heavy corrosion of the bike. It's absolutely covered in corrosion. It's not the best, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to take the seat off and then I'll show you where the electrics are. I'll get a boost pack and I'm going to put the new oil filter on, and hopefully we can see if we can get it to run properly, like run a little bit, see how the engine sounds. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky because I'm trying to film it and hold it at the same time. If you can see in the hourglass there, oil inspection, the oil is actually coming up. It's got plenty of oil in. Okay, so what we're going to do is fire it over a little bit now, just let it run, just check it hasn't got no oil leaks on and see what happens. First hit the button, switch it on first, there we go, and we've got nothing. So I should say that's a power problem. Either one of the leads isn't right on or we've got power on the battery. Try again. Got a few lights on the dash, service lights on, EML lights on, fuel lights on. But overall it doesn't sound too bad apart from the clutch. So I don't know if that's supposed to sound like that. So if anyone's got any comments on that would be brilliant. Drop us a line, send us a message, find out what's going on with it. So after 2 years of sitting, it actually starts up, which I'm quite surprised about. So the best thing to do now is we can then just check it's got no oil leaks, and then we can go around it again, have a quick look round, and then start the strip process of getting stuff off to get it powder coated. Shop blasted, powder coated and what it needs. I'm just glad the engine runs, and hopefully we can get it sorted as quick as possible now. A little bit of idea now is now it's running. It's to get it stripped down. We're going to take the back section off first. I can take it work and I can shop blast that with my little shop blaster at work, and then any little brackets I can do, little stuff. The frame I'm going to have it sent off and have it done, along with the swing arm. I'm going to have that sent off and done, but it runs and it isn't leaking oil and I'm really happy. I know it's got some lights on the dash, but the ML live, we can sort that out after. It can be a sensor or something stupid like that, something silly, and then go from there. Hi, so that was day 2 of the Ducati HYPERMOTARD build. As you can see, we actually got it running, and with the boost pack, put some fuel in, everything was good. It ran okay, not any problems, and basically we just need to get it all stripped now, which is going to be the next video, episode 3. Thanks for checking out my channel, and like and subscribe, really appreciate that. Thanks again, see you all soon.